Now then people, so today's vlog episode is coming to you from our studio. We've got some pretty exciting news to tell you guys. We have decided to start vlogging.
Every day you can expect a pretty rough and ready cut of what happened that day. We're going to try and tell interesting stories, all with a food narrative.
We've written our book, there's loads of noise going on in the media at the moment about us, and to be honest with you, we just want to take you on this journey with us.
Down here is the BOSH kitchen where we shoot all of our BOSH videos. And this is the exact station and lighting setup that we use. But the thing we wanted to change about this kitchen and why we went to IKEA yesterday is we want to make this wall here, big shelving units, covered with Kilner jars and all of our implements as well. It's all going to be stacked really beautifully, making art out of our kitchen implements and also our ingredients. But there's a lot of building to do before we get there.
How long do they take to put together? Half an hour?
Yeah.
An absolute doddle, really. What are you doing, boy?
So many light bulbs. Fuck's sake. When you do IKEA furniture, there is always a mistake. I've put 2 of the legs the right way round and 2 of the legs the wrong way round. It means I have to take everything down, start again. I fixed it. Had to take the whole thing down, redo it all, but these are now all pointing the same way.
So our IKEA day is going very well, but it is certainly hungry work, so it's time to cook some food. I think we're going to rustle up a little stir fry. Garlic, ginger, chili, spring onion, coriander, carrots, peppers, courgette, kale. That's all our vegetables prepped and ready for the stir fry. We need the wok nice and hot. Toasted sesame oil. A handful of cashew nuts. The garlic, chili, the ginger, the spring onion, coriander stalks. Leave everything moving around in the pan. The smells are really good in here right now. In go the rest of our finely chopped vegetables. Soy sauce. Satay sauce. Maple syrup. Kale and coriander. Time to drain the noodles. This stir fry is ready to plate up now. So the satay stir fry is ready. Henry, are you ready to eat, bro?
You know what, that is looking banging. Thanks, mate. Much appreciated.
No, it's a pleasure. Right, it's time to eat.
That food was banging. Ian just sorted us out. We're all about food and we want to make sure that we've got delicious food in every single vlog. Let us know what you thought of that recipe.
The IKEA day is going well. We've got about another 6 or so hours of building, but so far it's looking good. Henry has done a very good job with these. Check this out.
So I'm very, very happy with the work I've just done there. This is looking really cool. Ian, what do you think?
This is a job well done. It looks really good, but better than looking good, it now works well. This is like where everything needs to be, so when we're making our recipe videos, there's no scrabbling around. And you know what, guys?
That's it. Today's vlog done.
This is the first of many, many, many vlogs to come.
So if you want to see what's going on in the BOSH household, hit that subscribe button and we'll take you with us on this journey.
And we will also take you Sainsbury's party that we're about to go to right now.
Yeah, we're going to do a pub quiz this evening with all of the buyers from Sainsbury's.
In fact, check this out. We got one of these.
Yes, we did.
This is our brand new vlog camera, and this is going to be coming with us on our expeditions away, so we don't have to take the massive camera.
So that's all done. Next thing, let's go drink with the guys from Sainsbury's.
Wicked. Let's do this.
Sorry we're so late.
Hey, you're here.
Thank you, thank you.